Now let's just move on further to our second concept in this particular chapter, construction, which is nothing but called as the construction of a tangent to a circle. I hope you all know about that. What is a tangent? A tangent is actually a particular line that will exactly pass through only one point on the circle, only one point on the circle. So let us suppose if I'm talking about this particular circle and I am having this point, so can I draw a tangent at this particular point? Obviously not, because if I'll draw a tangent at this particular point, then it will pass through the 2 points on the circle, but a tangent cannot pass through the 2 points. It can only pass through 1 point of the circle. So let us suppose if I'm talking about this circle and I'm having this point which is lying on the circle, then obviously I can draw a tangent to this particular point, and this line is definitely called as the tangent. Why so? Because it is exactly passing through only 1 point on the circle, which is nothing but this one. That's why it is nothing but called as the tangent. So we all know that if we are talking about a particular point which is lying on the circle, means on the circumference of the circle, then we can draw a single tangent for it such that whenever I will join this point of intersection with the radius or with the center of the circle, then this is nothing but a perpendicular distance. This is nothing but perpendicular distance. So this distance is actually always the perpendicular in case of a tangent. So this is always perpendicular. We already know about this thing, that whenever we will draw any particular tangent at any particular point and we'll join this point with the radius, then this distance is always perpendicular. So this is all about only one tangent for this particular circle. But let us suppose if any particular point will lie outside the circle, then for this particular point how many tangents should be there? So we can draw 2 tangents exactly to this circle. We can draw 2 tangents exactly to this circle. So let us suppose if I'm talking about joining, I'm talking about this particular point, then I can join this with this as this one. So this one is nothing but my first tangent that will pass through this particular point, and further I can form, let us suppose I'm taking this particular point over here and I'm just joining this particular point with this point. Then obviously again through this point only one tangent can pass, that is this. So it means that from the outside point or from the external point of the circle, we can only draw the 2 tangents. We can only just draw the 2 tangents, because except these we cannot draw any particular tangent. As you can see, if I'll draw a line in this manner, so this will pass through 2 points. It will not be a tangent, it will be a secant. So hence from the external point or from the outside point of the circle, we can possibly only draw the 2 tangents, which should be of this form. Now let's just see the construction of such a kind of tangents in this particular topic, that is the construction of a tangent to a circle.